Welcome all to Swamee Surya YouTube channel. Today I am going to bring forth one very important lesson, that is nature life. Nature life means the method of living, the proper method of living or the art of living in tune with our Panchabhutas. Panchabhutas, everybody knows, it is space, air, fire, water and earth. We have to lead our life in tune with the Panchabhutas. That is the nature life. And that is the correct way of life. What is the advantage by doing so? The advantage is perfect health, long life, even up to 120 years of life, peace of mind, prosperity. At last, if each individual gains all these things, our country will prosper, our Bharata Mata will prosper. So this is the ultimate aim of Swamee Surya channel through this nature life lessons. In our Vedas, Vaidika Shastra, it is told, Dhruvam to Raja Varuna, Dhruvam Devo Brihaspadihi, Dhruvam tra Indraschagnischa Rashtram Dharayadam Dhruvam. Dhruvam means going higher in life. Dhruvam to Raja Varuna. Varuna, he is the god of water. So we have to respect water. Dhruvam Devo Brihaspadi. Brihaspadi is the guru of Devas. That means we have to respect our Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, Idihasas, etc. Dhruvantra Indraschagnischa. We have to respect Devendra, who is the god of rain. Then Agni, fire god. If we do so and lead our life in tune with our Panchabhutas, lastly it says Rashtram Dharayadam Dhruvam. Then the country where we live will prosper. So this is the basic principle of nature life. Each individual should take care of their body, their mind by proper food, proper thinking, right way of thinking, adequate rest, meditation and mantra upasanas. Our stomach is the seat of all diseases. Taking care of stomach is the only perfect way to maintain perfect health and long life. Added to that, we have to strengthen our mind. If mind is strong, we can conquer the world. How to give mind power? Through mantra upasana and meditation and yogic exercises. Mantra upasana and meditation is taught by us daily from 6 a.m. to 6:20 a.m. through Lalita Sahasranama. All the 1,000 names of Goddess Lalita Devi gives proper explanation how to meditate and how to add to our mind power. If these two things are followed, we can lead a comfortable life, healthy life with proper food and other things which we will explain in our subsequent chapters. So kindly take care of your body, your mind, everything through proper diet, yogic exercises, meditation, mantropasana and so many other things. It includes mainly water therapy and fresh air and sun gazing and sun bath. All these things in subsequent lessons we will give detailed explanations So kindly to start with, please join our meditation session from 6 only for 20 minutes. You will get lot of information about our Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, everything within this 20 minutes. And adjust your life, lead your life according to that. And we are giving every week one program on nature life. And see our YouTube channel also. Attend our daily meditation session from 6 a.m. to 6:20 a.m. For the purpose of all public, we restrict this session to only 20 minutes. Our aim is to educate everybody good manners, the good way of life, and to respect each other and lead a healthy life. So that is the aim of Swamee Surya channel. We are not charging anything. It is only a social service. Myself and my wife, Meena Surya Narayana, we both are trying to spread good messages to the public. So kindly see our YouTube channel, attend the daily meditation session, for which please contact us through our mobile number which is given in the description box. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and spread this message to your friends and relatives by way of sharing. Please grow in your life and we also will grow with you. It is a joined, it's a mutual way of sharing our knowledge. Kindly contact us over mobile and give all support to us. And we are doing it only for our mental satisfaction, because we are around 70 years old. So whatever service, only this type of service we can do. Physical service we are not able to do for various reasons. So this knowledge sharing service is the best service. This is Jnana Dana, like Annadana. So we are doing that service. Kindly take advantage of it. Kindly cooperate with us. Kindly give your feedback and lead your life in the best possible manner through nature life, respecting the Panchabhutas. So I am concluding my session today. Kindly share this message to all your friends and relatives, and do join us for the meditation session daily from 6 a.m. to 6:20 a.m. Everything in our Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads will be taught within the 20 minutes. Please try. Thank you all. Thank you all.